Hi there, Maggie here for the Cool Panda. Today, I am going to walk you through the process for getting your military discount with Norwegian Cruise Line. We salute your dedication and honor your service. We are proud to extend an exclusive 10% cruise rate discount to members of the military, veterans, and their spouses. NCL uses ID.me to verify your service. It is very important to let us know once the system says you have been verified. We will then contact NCL and tell them to apply your discount to your reservation. It could take 24 to 48 hours for NCL to issue new invoices to us once you have notified us that you are verified. If you have told us during sign-up that you qualify for the military discount, we will send you an email that looks like this. It is very important that you notice your latitudes number. During this process, you do not want to create a new latitudes number. Next, we will use the link provided to go to Norwegian's page for military. Scroll down and click the link for the page. Once you are on NCL's military page, take a moment to make sure you are signed into your NCL account. If you do not have one and need to create an account, do so at this time, but make sure you use the same email you used to sign up for the cruise. That way your latitudes number matches. Next, scroll down and click on the Verify Eligibility button and a pop-up window will appear. This is where you can log into ID.me or create an ID.me account. When completed, the system will tell you that you have been verified. It is very important to let us know once the system says you are verified. Just send us an email or reply to the military email we sent you to let us know. We will then contact the cruise line and have them apply the discount to your reservation. Please note that NCL does not add your military discount as a line item to your reservation. They create a whole new invoice with the discounted pricing and show military appreciation as an add-on item. This process can take them 24 to 48 hours to complete once we contact them. We will then send you out new invoices. And that is it. You now have your military discount added to your reservation. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, and I will see you in the next video.